Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious coffee cake, step by step. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Whisk these together well in a large bowl to ensure everything is evenly distributed before moving on to the next step. Now, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of buttermilk and 2 large eggs until they are well blended. Next, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and slowly incorporate it into your wet mixture. Finally, gradually add these wet ingredients to your dry mixture, stirring gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A key element of any great coffee cake is its crumb topping. To make it, combine 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour in a small bowl. Then, cut in 4 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until coarse, pea-sized crumbs form. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for that classic, comforting aroma. Now for the exciting part, baking. Pour your prepared coffee cake batter evenly into a greased 9-inch square baking pan. Generously sprinkle the delicious crumb topping over the entire surface of the batter. Bake your cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool for 15 minutes, then serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.